right, so let's see. What is today? Today is February 8th. Keeping track, we are 39 days into the second week. Well, gnarly out here today. As you can see, I got a big bowl of food scraps for the girls. They're coming up here to meet me. Okay. So 23 eggs, if you count that little one. I'm gonna count it. I'm gonna eat it. So here's what we're gonna do. We've probably done enough exercising to count the 2 exercises or the 2 workouts for the day. However, I did not do an outdoor workout. So we're gonna do one right now. Didn't go to the CrossFit gym today, so I'm gonna do the at-home version of the workout. Hopefully it don't start raining. 5 rounds for time. I don't know if it's gonna show up. 5 rounds for time, 800-meter run, 30 sit-ups, 15 handstand push-ups. That's what we're getting ready to do. I'm pretty sure I can do my handstand push-ups on that wall. So that's what we're gonna figure out. All right, here we go. Hey, I do. We're all Here we go. Come on, bro. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes. All right. Come on, baby, come on. Work for me. All right, I think it's working. No, it's not. Yes. Is it working? Okay, it's working. All right, workout done. Like, oh. All right. Well, if we're going by the rules of the 75 hard, one workout must be outdoor, rain or shine. As you can see today, we went with the rain option. Banger of a workout. What was it? 2.5 miles. 2.5 mile run, 150 sit-ups, 75 handstand push-ups. Not too bad. Now we're gonna do a cold plunge, right? Because that's what we do. Hopefully this footage worked out. Dude, it is windy as crap out. Let's see. I just don't want this thing to be blown into the water because it's expensive. But I also want it to be able to see me, you know what I'm saying? Which I think it can. Yeah, cool. So, let's check it out. I got the toe socks on, right? I'm loving them. Everybody's asking about my toe socks. Woo! Let's go swimming, shall we? Oh yeah! Oh yes! Oh yeah! Woo! Woo! Oh, so cold. Oh yeah! There's some dog. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Woo! So, what, 39 days into cold plunging, right? I think today is, if today's February 8th, which I think it is, Saturday, that would put me at 39 days in a row cold plunging. When I first started, I was in the water for maybe 1-2 seconds, basically as quick as I could get in and then get back out was my cold plunge time. Right now I'm feeling great, to be honest with you. I don't know if it's because I just finished a workout, so my body temp is super high. Woo! My hands are cold. Treading water makes it hard. Oh, okay, yeah. Treading water makes it really hard. But my body's feeling all right, so I am getting cold. It's like the less you move, the easier it is. All right, but I do think I'm done for today. Yeah, baby. All right. Toe socks did great in the water. Now I feel great. Now I want to do another workout. It's crazy. It's crazy how good it makes you feel getting out of that water. If you're not doing cold plunges, try them. I promise you. I promise. They're great. All right, let's put on the wet shoes. These suckers need to be washed. Yeah, that's right. Feet were wet on the workout too. All right, so recap. Yoga, lots of it. Good food, reading, meditation. What else did we do today? Oh, we booked a cruise, yeah. So more to follow on that. We're leaving literally next week, so should be fun sticking to a diet and 2 workouts a day on a cruise. But yeah, I guess that'll about wrap it up for today. Can't really think of anything else. And maybe we'll see you tomorrow. Who knows?